What's up everyone? So right now it's break time. Me and one of my colleagues, we are going to Gloria Jeans to get some drinks, possibly some cold ones. So right now we are gonna go there. I'm gonna put in some work on some stuff as well. Join us on this drive. Wow, that was a big bump. Rashid, your seat belt. Thank you. It's quite hot outside. The car is showing that the outside temperature is 46 and possibly it was maybe 45, maybe 46. What do you think, Rashid? You have an opinion on this or not? Oh, while you drive, stay clear of these sorts of equipment. You see, this was the box for the Insta360. So I took it out of here and started recording what's happening over here. They are removing some construction waste from over there. Wow. We have Gloria Jeans coming up ahead. Let's hope we find the parking in front of it. It would be really convenient. Otherwise on its side is also fine, but we shall see. There used to be a school over here, but right now it's actually, I think, vacations for kids. Okay, yeah, so we have the space over here. There we go. I can check the sides from the camera. So yeah, let's go, Rashid. Here we go, Gloria Jeans. Yeah, sure, we shall sit here. This seems like a good place, but we have to keep this aside. But anyways, we'll do that, no worries. Okay everyone, so I just started working on some stuff and we also have our order. I ordered this iced chocolate. Yeah, they call it the original chocolate. That's the name what they have over here. So also let me just show you the setup that we have going on right now. So this is where I'm working, also some gear and all this stuff. I'm gonna actually edit some stuff, make a couple of videos for the finance channel, and once we are done with this and once it's time to go back, then inshallah we'll go back and put our best at work. So we'll see you later.